Good morning. I heard that there might be more snow coming to New Hampshire, so I thought it might be a good idea to travel to Pluto. Well, I made it, and it was not a good idea. It took me about 23 years to get here, so I'm feeling a little old, and it's about 400 degrees below zero, so I'm also feeling a little cold. Just wanted to wish you guys a good day today on your blizzard bag day. And I hope you guys have a fun day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. We have a lot to work on at school. I'm hearing some strange noises, and I don't, oh no, it looks like, is this a new creature? A Pluto being? I'm not sure what this is. Oh no. Oh, it's my dog. Alright, well, have a great day, guys, and we'll see you later.